Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide how to find the subnet mask in Windows. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Finding the subnet mask in Windows is straightforward. Here are a few methods you can use. Method 1. Using command prompt, press Windows key +R, type CMD, and press Enter. In the command prompt window, type ipconfig and press Enter. Look for the network adapter you're using, Ethernet adapter or Wi-Fi. The subnet mask should be listed under the adapter's details. Method 2. Using the Settings app, press Windows key +I to open the Settings app. Click on Network and Internet. In Windows 10, click on View Hardware and Connection Properties. In Windows 11, click on Advanced Network Settings. Click on Hardware and Connection Properties. When you view the network properties, you will see the local IPv4 address followed by a slash and a number, such as 192.168.1.5/24. This notation is called CIDR, classless interdomain routing. The number after the //24 indicates the subnet mask in a simplified format. /24 corresponds to a subnet mask of 255.255.255.0. which means the first 24 bits of the IP address are used for the network portion, and the remaining bits are used for the host portion. Method 3. Using Control Panel, press Windows key +R, type Control, and press Enter. Click on Network and Internet. Click on Network and Sharing Center. Click on the name of your network connection. In the Ethernet status or Wi-Fi status window, click on the Details button. Look for the IPv4 subnet mask entry in the Network Connection Details window. These methods should help you locate the subnet mask for your network configuration in Windows. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.